Hey everybody, Johan Magnuson here, Big Swede BBQ, and today we're grilling up a Wagyu flat iron steak with some root vegetables on the Arte Flame. So the first thing that we need to do is season the steaks, so here's how we do that. So we got two beautiful Wagyu flat iron steaks here, and as you can see, they are extremely marbled. The only thing we're gonna do to these is that we're gonna season them on both sides with our Big Swede BBQ Badass Beef Boost. Then we want to let them sit for at least 30 minutes while we get started on the veggie. Now when the steaks are seasoned, it's time to put the veggies on the grill and get to cooking. So the Arteflame Plancha is heated up, so we're gonna oil it. Then we're gonna add 2 parsnips that we have finely diced. We're also gonna add 4 carrots that we have finely diced. And then we're gonna add about 6 to 7 purple potatoes that we also have finely diced. Now we want to let these cook for 10 minutes while we turn them. We're also going to oil them a little bit more and season them with our Big Swede BBQ Badass Veggie Boost. After about 10 minutes, we're going to add a finely diced red onion, and we're also going to add 2 finely diced bell peppers. We're also going to oil and season these with the Veggie Boost. Now we want to grill all the veggies until they are cooked through and have a nice char. When they're ready, we want to move them to a colder part of the plancha. Now it's time to add the flat iron steaks, and we're going to grill these on both sides until they reach an inner temperature of about 130 degrees. When they reach an inner temperature of 130 degrees, we're going to remove the veggies from the grill. We want to season them with a little bit of sea salt. Then we're going to add a couple of green onions, finely diced. We want to toss this and add to our serving plates. We're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of beef tallow to our heated up flambadoo, and then we're gonna drizzle the flat iron steak with some scorching hot beef tallow just to crank up the flavor a couple of more notches. Then we wanna remove the flat iron steaks from the grill. We want to let them rest for a couple of minutes. Then we're gonna finely slice the Wagyu flat iron steaks, and then we're gonna add them to the serving tray as well. And that is how I make my Wagyu flat iron steak with root vegetables on the Arte Flame. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, and I like the Arctic thyme from Saltburg. So let's drizzle some of that on there, and then it's time to try it. And look at that, that looks amazing. Root veggies, cooked to perfection. The flat iron steaks are very flavorful. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.